Adding pins to your Pinterest boards is quick and easy, and you can do it directly from your Android phone in just a few minutes. Open the Pinterest applications on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, you will land on your home feed where Pinterest shows a mix of ideas, images, and pins based on your interests. Next, scroll through the feed to discover a pin you want to save. You can also use the search bar at the top to find specific topics such as recipes, fashion ideas, home decor, or anything you like. When you find a pin that catches your attention, tap on it to open it fully. You will see a save button, usually shown as a red pin icon. Tap and hold the pin or simply press the save button. After that, a menu will appear showing all your existing boards. These boards are where your saved pins are organized. Now choose the board that matches the content of the pin. For example, you might have boards like ideas, travel plans, or home inspiration. Tap save next to the board you want, and the pin will be added instantly. To confirm everything is saved correctly, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Open the board where you saved the pin and you will see it stored there neatly. That's it. You've successfully added pins to your Pinterest boards using your Android phone. This method helps you keep ideas organized, easy to find, and ready whenever you need inspiration for future projects or plans.